In this video we are going to convert our low poly model Jeep into high detail model. Before everything we have to use some reference images. For that I have do some Google search and could download some good reference images. So to use these reference images I am using a software called PureRef. So I will add the link of that in the description. So if I show you what this software is, it's a very simple software which you can hold. You can organize the reference images in one palette. So these are the images I have downloaded. So as you can see the images here. So if I maximize this, so you can see the all of different images I have downloaded, right? Yeah, so if I show you, you need the view images. That means the front and rear view, side view, top view, and those reference images. Also you need some close-ups, exterior and both the exterior and interior. If I show you some exterior close-ups, so see, so you can see this part very clearly, and also this bottom part also very clearly, and these badges you can see clearly, and these door handles, door curves, and here you can see, and also you can see the badges here, and the wheel we will need them later, and also the lights, the close-ups of the lights, and yeah, and the shell and the front headlight and rear light and all of them, right? So this software is very useful when you are working these modeling work. All right, so let me move my things into my second screen. So all right, so it's better to have dual screen setup to work with. All right, so I have saved this one into a new file so I can later use them. All right, this is the output of our model for now. If I move back to this edged faces mode, you can see the edges here. If I select this one and move back to editable polymer, you can see the low poly model. All right, so if I go to this one, so and also if I show the front part of the vehicle, you can see this bonnet is separate from other part of the body. So that means we need to cut these off from the main body. So if I move back to the, if I just hide this one, you can see in our model we have a line here. So that line is same as this line, right? If I show another image in this one, see, so you can see this is separated. So that means in our model also we need to separate this one. If I look back something here, you see we need to separate this one from here. So yeah, this is from here. So I will unhide all, select this one, go to editable mode, polymod, and I will zoom this one, and I will select this edge mode, and I think I need to little bit push this downward, and this one is to some upper level, these two set, and this one need to be bit upper, little bit upper, something like that. Alright, then I will choose the edge selection mode, or number 2 in keyboard. I will double click this one, and I will go into side view and just unselect this one by selecting with alt button pressed, alt key pressed. Alright, so we have selected this one, and if I look back to the, you can see there is a line here also. Therefore I need to also you can see here this bonnet must continue for the next part of the body also. So that means we need to have a separate line here. So for that, I think from here, right? So I will make the swift loop from around here, and by pressing 1 I can select these ones, and I will just adjust this one around here. It should be in here, this one should be in here, this one should be somewhere here. Okay, then I can go back to this view, and I can select again this one, and I can select this one, deselect these ones. If I move to the see-through mode, you can see I have selected the correct edges. If I think I can move back into the vertex mode and select these vertices, and I can little bit move forward, and I will move back to the edge mode. And what I will do is I will use the chamfer setting chamfer tool, and I will go back to the setting of the chamfer tool, not just the button. And you can see if I set this value, you can see our single line will continue into another line with another line. By increasing this one, you can see we will get some more edges. Yeah, so I will do is I will have something like 0.3 and yeah around 0.3 and 0.5. I think 0.3 is okay. 0.9, press OK. So you can see now we have got two these the one set of edges converted into two set of edges. So now I can do is I can just separate these two. For that I will do is I will move back into the this polygon tool, or pressing 4 I can select these ones. To ease of use, you can just select this one, and by pressing shift you can select the nearby surfaces, and I will select this one with control, and I will just select with shift. Again I will select these ones and these ones and shift. Alright, I need to select this one too. Alright, I have selected these vertices, and what I do is I will just hit the delete button. Alright, so as you can see, this is separated now. If I move back to this one and turbo smooth, and I will move back to, I will just remove the edges mode, you can see this is separated now. Alright, so I'll move back to editable polygon. I think this distance is little bit higher. Can we reduce them? Yeah, I will just undo the work I have done, and I will move back to the F4, and I will undo the chamfer things also, and I will just chamfer, and I will set this one to 0.2. Press OK. Again I will select the polygon selection tool, and select this one, polygon selection tool, this one, and polygon selection tool. Delete, and okay, turbo smooth. It's okay for now. And like that, I need to cut these things also. So what I do is I will look into this. As you can see, this cutting mark is continue with here also. Alright, so I will do cutting things, so I need to look what happened in here. So I will just look at the reference images. As you can see, this edge is continuing to the bottom part also here, right? So that means this we also need to have a cut. For I will put this one, select edge mode, and select these ones, and this one too, and this and this, and I will just hit chamfer. I will have the same value as before, and I will cut by pressing shift and the polygon tool. Before that, I think we can do something like this. If I move back to the reference images, you can see the cut is go through the everywhere into this mudguard, right? The wheel is, see, so this cutting work is go everywhere. Move back to this one also, you can see. Therefore what I do is I will just have these ones also do this cutting work. If I move it to front here, right? Also we can separate the buffer from this also, right? Before that I will only have this one to cut. Later on I can cut other things. By pressing 4, I can move back into the polygon mode, and I will select these all with shift, so I can easily select the connected polygons and hit delete. Alright, so I need to do some corrections here. As you can see, we have two vertices, and we have a heptagon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Having heptagon or hexagon or something like that. Sorry, the pentagon, right? Pentagon or hexagon or heptagon, octagon or anything is not perfect when you smoothing. So we need to consist we need to limit into 4 lines, 4 edges in one polygon. Therefore I will just select these ones and I will target weld into this one like that. If I move back to here, you can see there are 2 vertices. I will weld them, and here also you can see those. I will weld them, and here it's perfect, I think. Okay, this one is also okay. This one need to be connected. I use weld option from here for here, and just adjust this one little bit. Okay, if I'm at the turbo smooth mode, you can see these are separate. Somewhere something like here you can see there are some weird result, so don't worry about that, we can handle that situation later. So like that, I move back into the reference image. I need to cut the buffer thing also, and I need to cut these ones also. So I will move back into the edge mode, select the edge mode, and I will cut this off. Not that one, this line, right? Yeah, these lines are the need one to cut chamfer, and I will use into this one, and I will cut all of these. Delete. I will weld these vertices. Alright. And I cut the buffer also. And what I need to do is I have to cut these ones too. Alright, I got the cutting work here. I cut them also. Okay, for now, I think. Also, let's move back to the side view, and I will select this door area. I will use the same chamfer effect and same value, and yeah, I think I can use some bigger value here. The reason is, if you see somewhere here, then see there can be visible lines here between the body and the door. That's why I will increase this value into 0.3 something, 0.3 like, or 0.5, 0.5 by 5 is okay, I think. And I will move back into the edge mode and select everything, delete it, and also select this also. And same as before, I will connect these vertices if there are some. And I need to use the cut tool here. And I will set these edges, these vertices like this. Okay, I will just hit save. And if I move back to the turbo smooth mode, you can see properties we got, right? Yeah, like that. I will go back to side view, and you can see this mudguard is also need to be separated like this, and the buffer also, rear buffer also. So I will just move back into edge mode, and I will set all edges here. Well, you can see this edge also here. Also use the chamfer tool, but now I will set the value is 0.2 and press OK. I just deleted. So I need to, if I move back in the turbo smooth mode, I can see rear buffer is separate also. Also I need to separate the mudguard and the rear buffer. For that I will go back to the right view of the model, press F4 to cut, and I will use editable poly mode, and as you can see we need to cut the mudguard from here to there. Yeah, I can see lot of issues here now. These are two vertices. I will just weld them, and here also two vertices to weld them. I will have a swift loop for here also. Swift for here also. Let me see. For this one also, I just connect these two. For this one, I just connect these two. Alright. So in here and here, there should be some side skirt. Let's think about them later. Yeah. In our purpose in this video is to divide the parts of the vehicle. Also here also we need to get some cutting areas. This one, right? Yeah. We'll see that one too. For this especially, I think I need to use 0.1. I will just select everything. Okay, and this one is also got separated now, and I need to look back in the rear view. For that I will use rear view, yeah, like this one, and I go back to my rear view, zoom it out, and I also press F4 and just editable poly, and I need to cut this one from here. Therefore I need to select these edges, this one, and these two. A little bit move them here. This one also. Just chamfer, and before that I will use 0.5 because this is a door. Delete. I can have a edge here, so I can just select these two and make bridge. And for this one also I can select this one and this two and make them bridge. And I will create another edge here, around here, and I need to move this and this one little bit somewhere here. Say these ones and move a little bit here. And also I can just remove this one here, and I can click these two and make them bridge. This one also I will make them bridge. This one also I will make them bridge. Hit Ctrl S to save. And what I can do now is can just reposition the vertices. This one too. And what I will do is, if I show this reference image, you can see the edge of the door is ended up in here. Therefore I will move back to my right side view. I will make the edges from here, and I will make chamfer, and I will delete these ones. After them I will connect this one to this here, or that one. I think we need to create new polygon here. Okay, all right. Okay, for now, but also I need to cut the roof also. For that I will do is I make these ones for that also. I'm going to go back to the side view. You can see the cut is going on here, and not here. I think I need to create another loop here. Around here. That means we need to also have edge from here also. For that I will use the cut tool. Need to cut and weld. Perfect. And Convert into the edge mode. If I see in every view, to select this one, and I need to go back into the left side of the view. And I need to have a set of edges from here also, and right before the center of these two lines. And select I can just select this one into here, and if select this one to here and to here by using H, you can see our roof is properly divided. And I will use the chamfer. For here I can use some, yes, I will use the not the 0.5, I'll use 0.2 here also. Press OK. Select the polygon tool, select everything, this polygon, and I will go back to somewhere here to reposition the vertices. This one too, repositioning. Just enter Control S. Simply delete them. All right. Alright, now we have do some separation here. We may need to do some separations afterward also. For now we have separated in our model, mainly separate into few parts, so we can detach them and work individually about this part. That's for high detail modeling. That's why we need these high resolution images to look and see what is going there. Also, next video we will talk about how to detach them as separated models, how to name them to easily understandable and readable, and also we will do some detailing from this model part by part. We'll see. Thank you.